In our last lesson, we were showing how you can add fabric that was contained in our own swatch library, but now I want to show you how you can add your own custom fabrics. Just go into the swatch library and click on Custom. This area is going to contain your own custom swatches. So to add a fabric swatch, click on the Import button here at the bottom of the browser. So this dialog box will pop up. Just click on Load Image here at the top and find the folder where you keep your swatches. So in this case, I'm going to import this cashmere swatch that I grabbed off of their website. This is actually the swatch that I'm working with. I got it from their website, and notice up here it's showing you that the horizontal repeat is about 13.5 inches, same as the vertical repeat. I don't really know how much fabric I'm looking at, but I'm just going to go with the repeat size. Now remember to add your own custom fabrics. Click on the Import button and the dialog box will appear. You want to click on your Load Image button and point to wherever you stored that fabric. I had saved that fabric swatch off of Cashmere's website, and here you can see that the fabric swatches here, I really don't know again how much fabric I was looking at, but I'm going to go with their repeat size, and they said it was about a 13.5 inch repeat, and you only need to click to put in one of the dimensions. The other one will fill in automatically, and you can put in the name of the swatch. It has already picked up the name that I gave it, and click on your Import button. Oh, and as you notice here in your preview window, it is showing you how that swatch is going to automatically tile into your design, and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to click on the Import button down here. Okay, and this is telling me that my fabric was successfully installed into my custom swatch library. Now I want to apply it to that panel. So what do? The first thing I want to do is I want to go up here, and I'm going to click now on my second arrow. And remember, every time you change arrows, make sure to click away on the blank canvas, making sure that nothing is highlighted. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to highlight that left panel. Now I want to apply that custom swatch that I just added, which is this fabric cashmere swatch. So I make sure that that's highlighted. Then I'll click on the Apply button down here. There, and that looks really nice. I want to do this example using a different swatch from a different manufacturer. In this case, you can see up here on the screen that we're working with a horizontal repeat of 13 inches and a vertical repeat of 14.5 inches. But it's actually telling me that I'm looking at 27 inches worth of fabric. So the horizontal repeat is 13 inches, but it's telling me I'm working with 27 inches worth of fabric. Now I want to add that swatch to my library. So I'll go ahead and choose that swatch, which I had saved to my hard drive. Now in this case, again, I was looking at 27 inches worth of fabric. So that's what I'm going to input into my dimensions. And I will import the swatch. And to apply this new swatch, I'm already on my second arrow up here. So I will continue to highlight a few of these components within this design. Remember, I'm keeping my finger depressed on the Shift key as I highlight the other components. Then I can come in, make sure that my new swatch is selected, and I hit the Apply button. And that looks really good. Now remember, when you're done with applying your fabric or your color and you're done with the second arrow, make sure you go back to your default black arrow up here. And every time you change your arrows, just click away and make sure that nothing is highlighted.